This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the watch has power and the companion app is ready. This saves interruptions. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the app so pairing is active. Then, on the watch, go straight to Settings, then System or General, and find Time. This gets you to the exact controls you'll use. Do this now so you can choose automatic or manual time setting without losing progress. You decide whether to let the phone control time or to set it manually. Automatic is simplest because it respects time zone and daylight saving rules. If you pick manual, use the crown, touchscreen, or physical buttons to change hours, minutes, and seconds. Move deliberately and watch digits as they advance. Make sure you also select 12 or 24-hour format so watch faces and alarms match your preference. Then confirm the change so the watch writes the new time. You finish by saving your changes and allowing the companion app to sync with the watch. Wait until the app shows a successful sync before moving on. Then verify time across alarms, timers, and any world clock faces so nothing misses an update. If the time is still wrong, toggle automatic off and on, restart both devices, or unpair and repair. Updating the watch firmware often fixes persistent sync bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.